Well, hello YouTube. This is an interesting experiment that I'm doing today. I got my LTT screwdriver in the mail this morning. So here it is, the Noctua Edition. Down, damn. And it comes with the bits and everything. And I thought it'd be fun to record it on my camcorder. A perfect blend of two icons. The LTT X Noctua screwdriver offers the same incredible features that you know and love from the standard LTT ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver, with the distinct flair of Noctua's classic color scheme. PC enthusiasts around the world will know one thing when they see your screwdriver: you're a cool person. Well, I don't know about that, but thank you for the sentiment. Alright. Oh, let's get in this bitch. Alright. Alright, there's the interior bit there, and then the limited lifetime warranty. You need additional bits, you can get some more. This is a really smooth piece of paper. This is weird. The box got a little smushed in the mail, so everything's kind of everywhere. So here are the bits. I'm gonna hold those up. I cannot really see, but it's okay. I'm sure you can see it. Very cool, very cool. And oh, oh, fuck, dude. Oh, what a fucking. Ooh. Alright, sick. So, oh, this is so good. Yeah. And then putting it in the middle doesn't move at all. And then, ooh. There we go. Alright, cool. So there's the interior. Very cool stuff. I guess I'll go ahead and put the bits in. I don't have anything to screw, sadly, but I am gonna. I did have some plans to like move some fans around on my in my computer, so I'll probably do that at some point. So these just click right in, huh? Oh yeah, nice. I should have put these in order, but it's okay. Cool stuff. Oh, and the magnet tip is very strong. How many can I get? Okay, maximum. Oh, almost. It wants to pick up that third one, but it's just a little too weak. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. Oh, that is damn, they're not kidding. That is a strong magnet. All right. That's fun. So I wonder if let go. God. I wonder if I can connect the two magnets, and then it'll be stronger. No, you know what? If anything, that's actually weaker for some reason. Very strange. Ooh, okay. Ah, the magnet wants to canoodle with the other bits so badly. It was really hard to get in there, actually. All right. Good stuff. All right, let me get up to the camera here so I can get some close-ups for y'all.
My AC just kicked on. Shit. Yeah. Sorry to say this is a less than professional video. But yeah, there you go. Yeah, this is a great screwdriver actually. Very pleased. So yeah. So you can follow me on you can follow me on here. You can follow me on my VODs channel, which is linked on this channel. You can follow me over on Twitch, which was twitch.tv/doodledoggy with an underscore at the end of it. I'm on Blue Sky. I'm on FA. I'm in many places. And have a nice day.